No. No, that's hers.
What are you doing, dude?
Next, check outside.
Fucking package didn't come.
It's filming. Whoa. Yo, what is up? I am here with Jimmy. Shout out to Infinitely Cindy. Bro, what the heck? Exactly. I want you to see this, Cindy. This is for you. What is up, peeps? March 11th. I'm trying to film right now. He's just like staring at me, so it's kind of making it awkward. I haven't vlogged in like months. Let's see when I uploaded my last YouTube video. 2 weeks ago. Oh, actually, that wasn't too long ago. Cop this new bike. Yo, what is up, Snapchat? Done with finals. Manny?
I'm not done! What the fuck?
Awkward.
Guys, it's Manny. First week, spring quarter, come out, rushed out to Sigma Phi. What?
That is not going to the video. Like, boom, boom, boom. What the
What? They did this fucking funny! You think it's funny, huh? You think it's funny? I got started!
What the fuck? Oh my gosh, I'm
Oh, yeah.
Some dickhead set off the fire alarm. Fucking
Fuck!
going for an hour.
What about a hit of your love?